Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to send Solana from Crypto.com to the Phantom wallet. First, log into your Crypto.com account on the website. Once you're logged in, you will land on your dashboard. On the left side menu of your dashboard, you can see wallets. Click on it. Then, you need to click spot. After clicking the spot option, you can see the assets that you have bought on Crypto.com. Next, navigate to Sol. You can use the search box to find your Sol. Once you have been into your Sol, click on Withdraw. Upon clicking Withdraw, there will be a Withdraw Sol window. To add a new address, click Add Withdrawal Address. Then, copy-paste your Phantom wallet address in the address field. Give a name and fill in the OTP received on your mobile. Fill the 6-digit 2FA code received in your Google Authenticator app. Click on Save Address. To copy your Phantom wallet address, launch your Phantom wallet extensions or mobile app. Now click Deposit and type Sol in the search box. After that, click on Solana and click Copy. Next, enter the amount of Sol that you wish to send. Click Withdrawal if you want to send all the Sol you have on Crypto.com. Once you are done with adding the address and the amount, click Review Withdrawal. A confirmation window will appear. Just go through your order details. If everything is correct, click on Confirm. As soon as you click on Confirm, there will be a two-factor authentication checkup. Now open your Google Authentication application and enter your 6-digit code back into your Crypto.com to proceed further. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.